Analytical exposition text. So, today we are going to learn about the definition of analytical exposition text, the generic structure, the purpose and the social function, and the last is the characteristic and the language feature. Definition: analytical is an analytical way of doing something, involves the use of logical reasoning. Exposition is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding. So, analytical exposition text is an English text that the content is the author's logical argument regarding an issue that needs attention. Next is about the generic structure. First is thesis. Thesis introduces the topic and shows speakers or writer's position. Outlines of the argument are presented. Usually, thesis is appear in the first paragraph as the opening of the text. And then next, the second is about arguments. Arguments is consists about point and elaboration. Point states the main argument. Elaboration develops and support each point of arguments. Usually, arguments is appear at the second or the third paragraph. It's explain about the first paragraph or the thesis. Next, or the last is about the conclusion. Conclusion or reiteration, it restates the speaker or writer's position. It usually appears in the last paragraph as the conclusion of the text. The purpose and the social function of analytical exposition text. The purpose of the analytical exposition text is to convince the reader that there is something which needs an attention. The social function of analytical exposition text is to convince the reader that the topic that is provided by the writer is important. The analytical exposition text didn't try to change the reader's point of view. This text is pure only about the writer's opinion. The characteristics or language feature of analytical exposition text. The first is using external conjunction. It's like Holocaust, the vinyl solution, and the death trains. Second is using internal conjunctions, like the word firstly, secondly, next, and finally. And then using causal conjunction, like the cause and event. There is a word because. And then using simple present tense, using compound and complex sentence, and the last is use words that link argument, such as firstly, secondly, and reasoning through the causal conjunction, such as in addition, furthermore, however, and therefore. Here is the example of an analytical exposition text. The title is The Importance of Having Breakfast. In the first paragraph, we can see, in a busy morning, people tend to skip their breakfast. Actually, there are many benefits of having breakfast. Here are two reasons why it is important. So, we can conclude that this paragraph is the thesis because it's explained about what kind of topic that are going to discuss in this text or in the next paragraph is about the reason why having breakfast is important. So, the second paragraph and the third paragraph must be the arguments or the supporting idea about the first paragraph or the thesis. We can see at the second and the third paragraph, it's explained about the reason why having breakfast is important. And the last one is, of course, the conclusion or the reiteration. Okay, I think that's all about the material that I want to deliver. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.